Hey everybody, Paul Wooten here, coming to you with a 24 count Matchbox K case unboxing. And I've got two cases of them, and this here is somebody else's already. So I've done cut the top of mine. I want to show you what's in it. The Matchbox Prospector. We've got another one of the Lamborghinis SUVs. It's a pretty cool model, carryover. We got this turf tilter, one of them. Got two of these hydro cruisers, and somebody's had these out and the boat separates from the water. Pretty cool piece. Got the Quarry King again, another Quarry King. We've got this new turn tamer, some type of a white SUV thing, non-licensed model, I would guess. Now here's what I'm looking for, is this 2014 Silverado 1500. I was really looking for that piece there. I like that a lot. Comes with another carryover. Very cool for everybody that hadn't been able to find one. That's 3 cases in a row. It had at least one in. That's pretty sweet. We've got us a Land Rover Defender 110. That's a nice model there. All you Land Rover fans out there. All right. We got the Blaze Blitzer. Pretty sweet fire truck. Very cool. Looks like we got the Chrysler 300 again. Another one of them guys. Another one of these Swift Shuttle. We've got this Moto Tracker. It is a four-wheeler with tank tracks in the back and wheels in the front. Not too crazy about that. Another Cliff Hanger. Another one of them little Jeeps. Looks like we got an Infinity, I'll say it in a minute, G37 Coupe. Pretty nice model. And we've got, ooh, I like this one, 2013 Ford Cargo. All you truckers will like that. Another one of those Scanner. Alright. Ooh, nice. We've got a Mound Mover. Pretty sweet piece. We've got the Matchbox Urban Tow Truck. I really like that. I like the color scheme, red, white, and blue. Rescues probably like that one. And the last few here we got a amphib. I can't even say it. AMPPHI Flyer. Pretty cool little hydro boat there. And we got another one of the State Police BMWs. And what I've been looking for the most in this whole entire set is this 15 Dodge 1500 Police. Very sweet piece. It's got the push bar on the front of it. I like that a lot. I do a lot of custom trucks. The only bad thing about it is I wish it didn't have a light bar on it. Hopefully, I wish it was just a standard cab, but that's fine. But that's my K-Box unboxing, Matchbox. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There's some cool pieces coming up. Hopefully, as the 2017 cases start rolling around, we'll start seeing some of that really neat stuff that's coming out. But thanks for tuning in. Comment below, like and share, and I appreciate you checking into my channel.